Ever wondered how investigators, researchers, or even curious minds can track a username across the web, find all related profiles, and gather video content tied to that username? Not to spy, but to verify identities, discover online footprint, or do OSINT the right way. In this video, I'll walk you through the methods, tools, and ethical guardrails for doing just that. Whether you're doing research, digital security, or just want to know what's out there, you'll learn how to track usernames, scrape content efficiently, and gather videos while staying safe and legal. Let's get started. Define username footprint. How a single username or alias can reveal connections when reused across platforms. Talk about uniqueness versus commonality. A username like CoolJohn23 versus XIQZ_9812, harder to trace versus easier to link. Why it matters. Identity verification, threat intelligence, building case studies in journalism, understanding misinformation sources. Also the risks, privacy concerns, legal boundaries, misuse potential. Always respect privacy, only use public info, do not hack, do not bypass security settings illegally. Terms of service and copyright laws, scraping might violate site TOS, downloading video content might have licensing or fair use issues. Jurisdiction, laws differ by country. What is legal in one place may be illegal in another. Transparency, purpose, be clear why you're gathering info, for what audience, and avoid doxing or harassment. Walk through tools and methods, search engines advanced queries. Use quotes, cite, INURL, entitle, etc. Example, username 123. Site twitter.com or username 123, Instagram, etc. Username aggregation and reverse username search tools. Tools like NameEtch, checkusernames.com, check where a username is registered across many platforms. Using tools that link accounts via shared username patterns. Social media investigations, public profiles, bio info, mutual friends, photos, timestamps. Reverse image search of profile pictures, metadata and past data. Use of archives, Wayback Machine to see old versions of pages. Email addresses or real names connected to username. Combining clues. If username is reused, pattern matching. For example, same avatar, photo, style, content. Behavioral clues, posting times, language references. Here you get technical, showing tools and steps, but always reminding the viewer of legal ethical boundaries. A. Choose your scope. What platforms? YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc. What kinds of videos? Public uploads, live content, public stories, archived videos. B. Tools and libraries, YouTube DL, YTDLP for extracting public video and metadata. Scraping frameworks, Scrapey, Beautiful Soup, Python for web content. No-code, low-code tools, webscraper.io, data miner, and quote, browse.ai, quote, etc. Video scraper providers and APIs. Some services specialize in gathering video metadata or tracking engagement. See workflow example, input username, find all associated profiles via NAMEC/manual searches. For each platform, check video content. Search directly on that platform if public, with the username or variations. Use YouTube DL or similar tool to download public videos, if allowed, or fetch metadata such as upload date, view counts, descriptions, scrape comments or engagement metrics if needed, while following TOS. Organize results by platform, content type, date, etc. D. Handling challenges. Dealing with private content, restricted access, must respect privacy settings. Anti-scraping defenses, CAPTCHAs, blocked IPs, rate limits, rotating agents, using proxies, applying delay between requests if scraping. Walk through a live, fictional, or anonymized example. Pick a username, show how you'd find its footprints. Search engine, NaMeCh, find profiles. Collect videos from YouTube or TikTok. Summarize what you found, how many videos, content themes, dates. Show how cross-platform clues helped identify connections. Tabulate or list your recommended tools for each task. Task recommended tool, technique username cross-platform search, NaMeCh, check usernames manual searches, video extraction, YouTube DL, APIs, platform search, web scraping, general content, Scrapey, Beautiful Soup, no-code tools, monitoring, keeping updated, browse.ai, scheduled scrapers, alerts, reminders, always respect robots.txt, follow platform API policies, don't violate copyrights. Recap. So we've seen how to track a username, gather its profiles, scrape video content, tools, and the ethical guardrails to stay inside the law. Encourage safe and responsible use. OSINT is powerful but must be used with integrity. Call to action. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, comment with a username you think would be interesting to track, fictional of course, or some tool you think I missed. Also let me know if you want to follow up showing code demos or a live walkthrough. Important, this video is for educational, journalistic research purposes. Always act ethically. Public data is accessible, but private data isn't for you unless the owner consents or the law allows. Misuse can have legal consequences. Thanks for watching, stay curious, stay ethical.